everyone, my name is Megha Goyal. I welcome you all on my channel. My channel Divine Souls talk about the solution of your life. And if you are watching this video any day or any time, it means the universe wants to give you the message as universe has no boundaries of energy. So today I am doing reading for self-love. Self-love is the best medicine of happiness. Self-love means having a high regard toward yourself, towards your own feelings, towards your happiness, towards your well-being. Self-love also means taking care of your needs, taking care of your own happiness and not sacrificing your well-being to please others. So basically हम दूसरों को सर्व करते करते, हम दूसरों को खुश करते रखते हम अपनी खुशियों को सेक्रीफाइस करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सो आज की रीडिंग में हम देखेंगे कि हमें अपने ऊपर कैसे वर्क करना है जिससे हम अपने आप को भी खुश रख सकें. सो आई हैव ड्रॉन 3 piles here. First pile, you can see the bracelet, the crystal with rose quartz. Second pile with the crystal amethyst. Third pile, the crystal is rhodochrosite. So I have already called up all the masters and all the angels. Now we will start with the reading. So I want you all to close your eyes, invoke your archangels, your spirit guide to come over and guide you to choose rose quartz, amethyst, rhodochrosite. So from these 3 you can choose any one, whichever you are feeling to pick. So now I will be starting with pile 1. So this is the pile 1 card, that the ones who have chosen this rose quartz bracelet, let's see what cards want to tell about your self-love. So starting with first card, how do you see yourself? आप अपने आप को कैसे देखते हो? Wow, a beautiful card for card number 1. So basically आप अपने आप को एक रिलेशनशिप में पूरा देखते हो, जहाँ पे आप रिलेशनशिप को बहुत अच्छे से सर्व करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली द रिलेशनशिप कार्ड, दिस इज़ बेसिकली द कमिटमेंट कार्ड. सो आप अपनी फैमिली के लिए बहुत कमिटेड हैं. आप अपनी फैमिली के लिए 24 आवर्स रेडी रहते हैं उनको हेल्प करने के लिए. इवन आप अपने पार्टनर की भी बहुत केयर करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ योर कार्ड, how you see yourself. So the next card, what is something beautiful about yourself? So let's see the card here. Oh great. So you are the person who have that positive aura, who love to inspire others and who love to enjoy yourself in any circumstances. So the third card, what do you need to heal? Okay, so you need, basically your need for healing is self-esteem. So basically how beautifully it resonates with the relationship card here. So basically if you see, the first card about yourself is always giving to your family, priority to your family. Giving priority to your family is not bad, but yes, what you have to heal for yourself, you have to heal, you have to build self-esteem, self-love. So how beautifully these 2 cards are resonating. So you have to build your self-love to yourself, you have to build your self-esteem for yourself, for your soul. Okay, so the next card is about how you can start healing this. So let's see. Wow. So the angel are saying that start exploring, give time to yourself, So basically the card has come up with the travel. So I would say travel here means spend time for yourself. Do those things that you also like. Go to that places where you love to go. So moving forward, now what universe message is for you? Okay, so universe message is for you is knock knock. So knock knock, here you can see knock knock means that it is a time that you can open the possibilities of doors. So knock and open your door for healing yourself, for taking time for yourself, for exploring your life, your creative ideas. Okay, so Pile 1 members, I would recommend you to buy this bracelet, rose quartz bracelet, as this is also I have channeled and I have kept on the Pile 1. So this is the channelized message for you that rose quartz bracelet will help you to love yourself, to work on your self-esteem, to open yourself to explore. This is a beautiful crystal. If you want to buy this bracelet, you can write down in the comment section below. So this is the reading for Pile 1 members. Now for our Pile 2 members, the ones who have chosen the Pile 2, the amethyst crystal. Let's see what cards talk about you. So the first card, how do you see yourself? Okay, so basically Pile 2 members, here I see that lot of emotions are there inside your heart, and I even see that the state of mind is also not very much stable. I am seeing here that lot of emotions are coming up and down. So basically you are full of emotions and you have blocked your opportunities, you have blocked your you have blocked your heart chakra, and I would say that you are not able to see the truth, or even knowing the truth you are not able to accept that truth. I am seeing very much emotional trauma here for you, Pile 2 members. I am seeing sadness here. So basically अगर मैं बात करूँ तो आप लोग अपने आप को एक इमोशनल स्टेट में अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा देखते हो. So let me keep your cards here. Okay, so this is your mirror and this is you, that how you see yourself. So now moving to the second card. What is something beautiful about yourself? Let's see what angels wants to tell you. Okay, so angels are here tell me that कि आपके अंदर ये खूबसूरती है कि आपके अंदर इतनी अच्छाई है कि आप सामने वाले की बुराई को भी भूल जाते हो, एंड आप सब में ही अच्छा देखते हो. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट एंजल्स आर सेइंग मी कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा दिल के बहुत अच्छे हो. सो अगर देखें तो कैसे रेजोनेट हो रहे हैं कार्ड्स. सो योर मिरर कार्ड इज़ कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हैं और आपकी यही अच्छाई है कि आप इमोशनल होने के साथ साथ दिल के बहुत सुंदर हैं. सो मूविंग टू योर थर्ड कार्ड. सो what do you need to heal? So you have to heal. So basically you have to stop doubting on yourself, stop doubting on universe, stop doubting on others. So you have to stop doubting on yourself. So now moving forward, we will see how can you start healing this. Okay, great. Such a beautiful resonation card. So how you can heal your doubt into the healing is affirmation, is doing affirmations daily, is doing meditation, doing prayers daily, and you will see the miracle will start in your life. Such a beautiful unicorn is there. So once you will once you will stop doubting yourself, and how you will stop your doubt, you have to start with affirmation. So positive affirmations have those. So positive affirmation works very beautifully to to convert any negative energy into the positive energy. Okay, so let's see now what message universe wants to give you. So the universe wants to say you, जो आप करते हो वही आपको मिलता है. So basically अगर आप इमोशंस को बहुत ज़्यादा दबा के रख रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, बहुत अगर आप अंदर ही अंदर स्ट्रेस में हो रहे हो, तो आपको बदले में भी स्ट्रेस मिलेगा, आपको कहीं भी आराम नहीं मिलेगा, चैन नहीं मिलेगा. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू कम आउट फ्रॉम दैट इमोशनल स्टेट, यू हैव टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द स्टक फीलिंग. एंड डेफिनेटली जब आप एक बारी पॉजिटिव हो गए, आप एक बारी अपने एनर्जी को चेंज करोगे, आपको वापस से अपनी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा हर जगह बहुत सुंदर सुंदर रिश्ते, बहुत सुंदर आपको आई वुड से सेल्फ लव अपने लिए आपको मिलेगा. आपको अपने से ही प्यार करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द क्रिस्टल फॉर यू pile 2 members. This is the amethyst bracelet, and I would recommend you all to wear this amethyst bracelet, as amethyst bracelet has the power of connecting with divine energies. And while seeing you in this so much of mind trauma, emotional trauma, I would recommend you to wear this amethyst bracelet. So if you want to buy this bracelet from me, you can leave the comment in the section below. So this is the reading for you pile 2 members. Thank you so much. Let's move forward to our pile 3. Hello pile 3 members, now it's your turn. Let's see what cards has to tell about you. So let's pick a first card. How do you see yourself? Okay, so I see that you know that you are into a so much of burden. आप बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में रहते हो. आपके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा एक प्रेशर है, एक बर्डन है. आप अपने आप को हर वक्त एक बर्डन के अंदर महसूस करते हो, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में महसूस करते हो, जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ अंदर ही अंदर घुट रहे हो. यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँगी दिस कार्ड इज़ गिविंग मी द फीलिंग दैट आप अंदर ही अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा घुटन महसूस कर रहे हो, प्रेशर महसूस कर रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का बर्डन है. दिस इज़ द मिरर कार्ड फॉर यू pile 3 members. Now moving forward, we will see what something is beautiful about yourself. So the beautiful about yourself, I can see that आप बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को comfort देते हो. आप में एक एक तरीके का एक ऐसा ऑरा है, like angel wings, जहाँ पे आपके पास कोई भी आता है, you are always ready to help them. So this is the beautiful thing about yourself. So moving forward, what do you need to heal about? Okay, wow. So you have to need about, एक तरफ ये आपकी जो strength है, जहाँ पे आप दूसरों के बारे में ही सोचते हो, दूसरों के बारे में ही पहले आप हमेशा रेडी रहते हो उनको कंफर्ट देने के लिए. बट what you need to heal is बहुत ज़्यादा देने से भी आप खुद परेशान होते हो. सो इट इज़ लाइक जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा किसी की मदद कर रहे हो और जब आपको बदले में कोई एप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिल रहा, आपको लोग सिर्फ काम के टाइम पे याद कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद आपको वो याद नहीं कर रहे. सो इट हर्ट्स यू. सो दिस नेचर यू हैव टू चेंज. So how you can change this nature? Let's see. Wow, such a love life card. So how you can change? You have to forgive. So basically this card is telling me that this is the time you need to forgive yourself and others जिन्होंने आपके साथ कुछ गलत किया या आपको किसी की बात का बुरा लगा हुआ है. You need to forgive and you need to forgive yourself and others. Self-love is also about forgiving. Self-love is also about loving yourself, and self-love is also about changing for the betterment. So yes, you have to forgive others and forgive yourself to heal yourself. Okay, so let's see what universe wants to give you the message. So a message from the universe for you is that you don't need to be worried. Just surrender in front of the universe, and you will be finding a peace in your heart that is lacking right now, pile 3 members. Okay, so the crystal here, yes, the crystal for pile 3 members is rhodochrosite. So rhodochrosite is a beautiful crystal for healing your self-love, for your self-esteem. So rhodochrosite also works on your karma. So this is a beautiful crystal. This is a powerful crystal that I would recommend pile 3 members to buy and wear this crystal. So if you want to buy this crystal, you can comment in the section below. So this is the reading for pile 3 members. I hope you enjoy this reading, and I also hope that you all resonate with my readings. If you want to book a personal appointment, you can WhatsApp me on my given number. Like my video, share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.